Hey fam, welcome back. So it's another cooking video. Today we are making oha soup. I'm using stockfish, which is okporoko. Add enough water that will cook that particular okporoko. When it cooks or about to cook, you add your cocoyam. There are different types of cocoyam. Don't go and buy the one that is watery. So add your cocoyam, add your oil. When the cocoyam dissolves, you add your crayfish, you add your ogili. Ogilisi. Hey! Add your ogiri, and when you finish adding your ogiri, you can add your other ingredients, your pepper, your dry fish, your salt, your seasoning cubes, anyone you are using, just add it inside. I will also be adding our dry fish. When it cooks, I will be going in with our oha leaves. Are you a fan of adding uziza in your oha leaves? If you haven't been adding it, add it on. It gives scent to your soup. So after that, turn everything and allow to cook for some time. And voila, this is our soup. Sometimes just allow your oha soup or your soup to be a little bit watery, not like River Niger. So this is our oha soup. You can see everything done thicken. Now you can enjoy this with any swallow of choice. Just give me this soup. Give me pounded yam. Hallelujah. Bye.